Hello viewers, today I am going to explain foreign exchange market. Under foreign exchange market, the topic is meaning, functions and operations of foreign exchange market. So first of all, we should know the meaning of foreign exchange market. As in the earlier video, we have explained foreign exchange rate. Now foreign exchange market refers to the market for national currencies of different countries in the world. The trading between the currencies of different countries is foreign exchange market. Now functions. There are three functions: transfer functions, credit functions, and hedging functions. So we will discuss one after another. First of all, transfer function. The meaning of transfer function, it means transfer of purchasing power in terms of foreign exchange or foreign currency. Once again, I repeat, transfer function means transfer of purchasing power in terms of foreign exchange across different countries of the world. हमारे पास कितनी foreign exchange reserve है और हम वट एवर वी वुड लाइक टू परचेज, हम किसी दूसरे देश से अगर कुछ खरीदना चाहते हैं, चाहे कैपिटल है, एक्सपर्टीज है, नॉलेज है, गुड्स है, सर्विसेज है, वी कैन परचेज इफ वी हैव द करेंसी ऑफ दैट कंट्री. Number two, credit function. It means, it implies provision of credit in terms of foreign exchange for export and import of goods and services across different countries of the world. Across different countries of the world. In the international money market. So credit function means provision of credit. क्रेडिट का प्रोविजन रखना है हमने इन टर्म्स ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज. जब भी हमें इंपोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट करना है ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज across different countries in the international money market. Now third one is hedging function. First of all, I should know the meaning of hedging. Hedging means avoiding the risk of an adverse चेंज इन एक्सचेंज रेट इन फ्यूचर. अगर एक्सचेंज रेट में कोई बड़ी फ्लक्चुएशन होती है, बिकॉज it depends upon market forces. If there is a big change, it will either a great loss or a great profit. So to avoid a huge risk, it only means to protect us from the risk of possibility or possible rise in exchange rate. So hedging, how to do hedging? It means protection against risk related to variations in foreign exchange rate. फॉरेन करेंसीज में जो वेरिएशन होता है, कभी कम कभी ज़्यादा है, स्पेशली फॉर द पुअर इकोनॉमीज, इट इज़ डेंजरस, they are in great loss. So in foreign exchange, for future supplies of foreign exchange, once again I repeat, functions: transfer function, credit function and hedging function. Transfer function means a transfer of purchasing power in terms of foreign exchange across different countries of the world. Number two, credit function, the main meaning, provision of credit in terms of foreign exchange for export and import of goods and services across different countries in the international money market. Hedging function, it means protection against risk related to variations in foreign exchange rate for future supplies of the foreign exchange. Now, operations. There are two types of operations of foreign exchange market: spot market operation and forward market operation. So try to understand the meaning. Spot on the spot. There is no, it is as good as speculative trading. Whatever the two parties are agreed, the transaction will occur. But under forward, there are some technique. So first of all, I will dictate spot market. It handles current transaction at present, whether it is loss or it is gain. It does not allow hedging. इसमें hedging allow नहीं होती. जो protection against risk securities रखते हैं हम या कुछ और property रखते हैं वो नहीं होगी इधर. So exchange rate is determined in this market is called spot rate of exchange. अब ध्यान रखना foreign exchange rate, foreign exchange market, spot rate of exchange and forward rate of exchange. So ध्यान रखना कभी कभी assertion reason, logical reasoning, case study में ऐसा कुछ पैरा बना के आ जाएगा. You have to identify what is this or what is that. So exchange rate is determined in this market, means spot market, is called spot rate of exchange. On the other hand, forward market, it handles transactions for future delivery. मीन्स कुछ हम सिक्योरिटीज देते हैं, कोई गारंटी देते हैं और दैट लॉस विल बी कवर्ड इन फ्यूचर इफ पॉसिबल, नॉट श्योर, नॉट 100%. सो इट अलाउ hedging. Exchange rate is determined in this market is called forward rate of exchange. So students, be careful, this is very good question. And now I am going to explain you the merits of flexible exchange rate and demerits of flexible exchange rate. So students, merits of flexible exchange, बी केयरफुल. ये छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं एग्जाम में एंड इसकी बहुत बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंस है. अगर हम ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे हमारी डे टू डे लाइफ में इन द इंटरनेशनल मनी मार्केट, मेरिट्स ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबल एक्सचेंज रेट. नंबर वन, लार्ज रिजर्व्स ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज रेट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. इंटरनेशनली वी कैन एक्सचेंज, वी कैन टेक इट. नंबर टू, एफिशिएंट एलोकेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. जो भी हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज हैं वी कैन यूटिलाइज इट प्रॉपरली सो दैट वी कैन मैनेज इट. देन लार्ज साइज ऑफ फॉरेक्स मार्केट. जब हमारे पास फ्लेक्सिबल एक्सचेंज रेट है, हमारी मार्केट भी बहुत बड़ी है और वी कैन टैकल इट प्रॉपरली. नाउ द फोर्थ वन इज fourth one is international mobility of liquidity. International mobility of liquidity means liquidity exchange. We can take exchange from any country of any country. For example, अगर किसी देश को यूएस डॉलर चाहिए वो दूसरे देश के साथ ट्रेड कर लेगा अगर उसके पास यूएस डॉलर है. वेंचर कैपिटल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, समटाइम्स इट मे कम in the examination. It means investment in the purchase of forex, foreign exchange. In the international money market, the aim to earn profit. So these are the 3-4 merits of flexible exchange rate. Number one, large reserve of foreign exchange is not required by the government or the RBI or the central bank of any country. Then efficient allocation of resources. Next, large size of forex market. Third one, fourth one, international mobility of liquidity is enough so that countries can do import and export. Venture capital, be careful, its meaning is investment in the purchase of forex market, foreign exchange market, in the international money market. The aim behind it to earn a profit. And some of the demerits. So demerits, marginalization of weak currencies. जो स्लो इकोनॉमी है, स्मॉल इकोनॉमी है, अंडर डेवलप्ड इकोनॉमी है, ऑफन सफर्स owing to lack of demand because their earning is less, their purchasing power is less, so they normally suffer in both way, either import or export. Number two, uncertainty of the market. Owing to changing the rate of exchange, uncertainty of the market, owing to changing in the rate of exchange, जो फ्लक्चुएशन होती है बहुत ऊपर नीचे, difficult to formulate stable monetary policy in the domestic economy. अब बच्चों मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी सेंट्रल बैंक डिक्लेयर करता है इन इंडिया, and fiscal policy government of India. Under fiscal policy, revenue and expenditure can be determined by the government. Under monetary policy, qualitative and quantitative instrument of money supply, on the basis of that inflation and deflation can be controlled. So be careful little bit. So then next one, bilateral trade agreements becomes difficult. Bilateral and multilateral दो देशों के बीच या दो से ज्यादा देशों के बीच में जो ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट करने मुश्किल हो जाते हैं, because it implies day to day fluctuations. The main reason behind it, day to day fluctuations in exchange rate. जो एक्सचेंज रेट में, फ्लेक्सिबल एक्सचेंज रेट में मार्केट ऊपर नीचे जाती है, इट इम्पैक्ट दे, फॉर एग्जांपल एज एंड व्हेन यूएस डॉलर एप्रिशिएट, जब यूएस डॉलर एप्रिशिएट होगा, अब तक आपको समझ आ गया होगा एप्रिशिएट का मीनिंग मीन्स लेस रुपीज आर पेड, सो द बर्डन ऑन इंपोर्ट पेमेंट विल राइज. जो भी हम इंपोर्ट करेंगे उसका बर्डन बहुत बढ़ जाएगा, जिससे क्या होगा कि जो स्लो इकोनॉमी है उनको नुकसान होगा. सो दिस इज व्हाट, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.